Hello, English learners, and welcome to Everyday English Podcast. I'm Sam.
And I'm Emma. In today's episode, we're talking about an awkward moment we've all had, forgetting someone's name. We'll listen to a short conversation, learn useful phrases, and give you an IELTS-style speaking tip. Let's jump in.
Yep, it's a super common situation, and it even shows up in IELTS speaking questions. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hey, what are you doing around here?
My office is just around the corner. It was great meeting you at the conference last week.
Yeah, I really enjoyed our conversation about foreign investment.
Listen, I'm in a bit of a hurry, but here's my card. Let's catch up soon.
Sure, you still have my contact details, right?
This is embarrassing, but your name slipped my mind. Can you remind me?
Of course. I'm Anna Ferris. Don't worry, it happens. I forget names all the time.
Let's look at some useful phrases from the dialogue. First, in a bit of a hurry. It means you don't have much time.
Example, can you drive faster? I'm in a bit of a hurry. Next, contact details. That's someone's phone number, email, information to contact them. Example, here's my card with my contact details.
Last one, slipped my mind. That means you forgot something. Example, I forgot her birthday. It totally slipped my mind.
Fluency tip. Want to sound more natural? Use casual greetings like, how's it going? Instead of, how are you?
Right? How's it going? Is what native speakers say all the time.
Now let's connect this to IELTS. Here's a part to speaking question. Describe a time you forgot something important. You should say what it was, when it happened, and how you felt. Now let's connect this to IELTS. Here's a part to speaking question. Describe a time you forgot something important. You should say what it was, when it happened, and how you felt. IELTS speaking test. Final tips. What to do and what not to do. What to do. Speak naturally. Talk as if you're having a conversation. Stay relaxed and friendly. Use contractions, like I'm, can't, don't, to sound more fluent. Extend your answers. Don't stop at yes or no. Q. Do you like reading? Yes. Yes. I love reading, especially mystery novels. They help me relax after a long day. Use examples. Support your answers with short stories or real-life examples. This helps improve your score in fluency and coherence. Use a range of vocabulary. Try to show off a mix of everyday words, idioms, and academic terms. Practice with a timer. Get used to speaking for 2 minutes in part 2. Use a stopwatch and record yourself. Correct yourself smoothly. If you make a mistake, correct it naturally. I have been studying English for 5 years.
IELTS speaking test. Final tips: what to do and what not to do. What to do: speak naturally. What not to do: don't memorize answers. Examiners can tell if your answer is pre-learned. It sounds unnatural and robotic. Don't panic if you don't know the topic. It's okay to be honest. I'm not very familiar with that, but I think. Then give your best opinion. Don't use complex words incorrectly.
Final thought. The IELTS speaking test is not about being perfect. It's about being clear, confident, and real. Practice regularly, stay calm, and trust your voice. You've got this.